So we were listening to the press conference of Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. She was talking about, the bank reforms that have taken place today. Now, moving back to global news, more than 200 US footwear companies sent a letter to President Trump urging him to cancel newly planned additional tariffs on goods imported from China. The letter points out that tariffs on footwear products imported from China are already at a high level of 11% on average and will reach 67% on some shoes after new tariffs take effect. Earlier, US announced it will further raise tariffs on about $550 billion of China's imports. Leaders of US footwear organizations are also deeply worried about upcoming new tariffs. The companies have warned that newly added tariffs will cost US consumers an additional $4 billion every year. This may create further economic uncertainty. The president of Footwear Distributors and Retailers of America has said tariffs will be paid by Americans in the form of higher prices and will be job killer. Another official has said American retailers are already struggling and defining new tariffs as a nail in the coffin. Meanwhile, China and the US are tangled in tit-for-tat tariff war, and both parties are penalizing goods with higher penalties while distributing world trade, in fact, disturbing world trade order.